Welcome to True Seeker, your portal to the eternal wisdom of the Rig Veda. Today we're diving into Mandala 1, hymns 111 to 121, where Indra's divine strength, Rudra's healing power, and the Ashvins' radiant vitality guide us to the One Supreme Self. Join us to uncover courage, restoration, and cosmic harmony. Subscribe, hit the bell, and let's embark on this sacred journey together. Hymn 111. Indram yajati vishvena samnadati sumyam, sanaprayati vishvati. Meaning, O Indra, you sanctify our worship with universal might. Your radiant power brings peace, awakening fearless courage in our hearts. Hymn 112. Ashvina yajati vishvena gayati somyam, ashsa naprayati vishvati. Meaning, O Ashvins, you uplift our worship with radiant vitality. Your divine grace brings harmony, restoring our spirits with celestial light. Hymn 113. Usa vishvena samnadati yajati saumyam, sanapra yati vishvati. Meaning, O dawn, you awaken the world with radiant light. Your divine glow guides us to peace, illuminating our path to eternal truth. Hymn 114. Rudram yajati vishvena gayati saumyam, sanaprayati vishvati. Meaning, O Rudra, you sanctify our worship with healing power. Your divine compassion brings serenity, restoring our souls with sacred strength. Hymn 115. Suryam vishvena samnadati yajati samyam, sar na prayati vishvati. Meaning, O Surya, you illuminate our worship with cosmic radiance. Your divine light guides us to harmony, kindling wisdom in our hearts. Hymn 116. Ashvina gayati vishvena yajati saumyam, sano prayati vishvati. Meaning, O Ashvins, your celestial songs uplift our sacrifice. Your radiant energy brings peace, invigorating our spirits with divine blessings. Hymn 117. Ashvina yajati samnadati vishvena saumyam, sana saumyam prayati. Meaning, O Ashvins, you sanctify our worship with vibrant power. Your divine grace leads us to harmony, renewing our hearts with celestial light. Hymn 118. Ashvina vishvena yajati gayati saumyam, sano prayati vishvati. Meaning, O Ashvins, you inspire our worship with radiant energy. Your divine presence brings serenity, uplifting our souls with cosmic blessings. Hymn 119. Ashvina samnadati yajati vishvena saumyam, sanaprayati vishvati. Meaning, O Ashvins, you resound with cosmic vitality in our sacrifice. Your radiant power guides us to peace, restoring our spirits with divine light. Hymn 120. Ashvina yajati vishvena samnadati saumyam, sano saumyam prayati. Meaning, O Ashvins, you sanctify our worship with celestial energy. Your divine grace brings harmony, invigorating our hearts with eternal blessings. Hymn 121. Indram gayati vishvena yajati somyam, sanaprayati vishvati. Meaning, O Indra, we sing your universal glory and worship. Your divine might leads us to divine peace, kindling strength and truth within our souls. That's our sacred journey through Mandala 1, hymns 111 to 121. Indra's might, Rudra's healing, Dawn's radiance, and the Ashvin's vitality have illuminated the One Supreme Self. Like, share, and subscribe for more Vedic wisdom. Drop your thoughts in the comments and join us next time for more hymns. Stay radiant and see you soon.